All right, we're trying OBS Studio and getting off of Streamlabs. Streamlabs, I know Streamlabs in the past gave a lot of issues previously. So, I give this mofo one more try. If it goes out again, then I'm not live streaming today. That is very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. All right. Attempt number 974. Last time I'm going to send this damn thing out today. Live. Post. Twitter. Live. Buy SPX. QQQ. Post. Send it one more time to everybody in the Instagram group, and this thing goes out again. Cool. I'll be mad. But again, we switched over to OBS Studio. Like I said in the past, I've had issues with Streamlabs where it just keeps cutting out for no reason. So hopefully this is better. People, I can tell you that are getting frustrated. I know that for a fact. Live on YouTube, making a free watch list. Drop some levels in here later. Boom. All right. Fingers crossed this holds. But as far as QQQ. Let's see, we made the whole 61.8% retracement yesterday, so nothing really interesting there. If we get a break above these highs at 405, I'm willing to look for longs back up into this high over here. We got super close to 400. Willing to watch it for a potential bounce, but other than that, I mean, bounce at 50. If we really started to pull, then it wouldn't be until way down there, and then even here. So we would need a really hard pullback for me to be interested in that. But for now, I mean, maybe 400 and then break above 405, look for that continuation. And I believe QQQ, it's very close. I mean, it's $4, less than $4 away from all-time highs. So I'll look for a reject up there. But, alrighty. It's typically the 8 o'clock candles on SPY and QQQ that they misprint. That's why you also want to do your analysis on futures. So there's QQQ, very quick look at NQ. Remove. All right, look for the break of, let's see, if the market were strong today, like the break above here, 16,812, look for the continuation into 16,885. Then after that, I don't really think I have anywhere that this thing can go besides up. Yeah, because this is at 52-week highs. Like next level would be 17,250 as far as fib extensions, and then 18,476. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna watch on NQ. I don't know if we have any demand anywhere. Oh, we tapped 2-hour demand yesterday. I did not see that. So went right into that 2-hour demand zone. So here's our demand. So I guess if we started to pull back like a decent bit, I'd be willing to watch this again. Boom. And then inside a 2-hour, we also have a 1-hour, a little deeper inside. So this is our 1-hour, if we got down there. 1-hour demand. Cool. But I believe that is about it. As far as bounces, we have a daily one way down there, 4 hour. Oh, also 4 hour. So we got 4 hour demand, 2 hour demand inside of that, and 1 hour demand inside of that. So very big level down here. 4 hour demand. Again, sorry, I keep clearing my throat. Boom. Cool. That's the demand we tapped yesterday. Cool. That's everything on NQ. Let's take a look through some individuals, see what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. I think, what did I say? I mean, we got something at 8:30. I don't really expect it to move too much in the market, but we'll see what happens. Let's see. That's what I was teaching last night. Level of interest plus price action plus volume equals banger. But let's see, Apple. I mean, I personally think they want to try to push it to 200. But I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I took SPY way later in the day. And then I took a Apple scalp earlier in the day. Nothing crazy. But the reason I took the SPY is because we came down towards that 50% retracement. I really wish I would have just started my position closer to it with room to add. But we ended up bouncing. Plus, I was on my Mac at this time, so only using one screen when typically I use 4. But price came down towards the 50% retracement. We were all watching it in the admin chat. And again, I should have started my position down here, but it started to bounce. And then at the end of this 15-minute candle close, that's when I entered and caught a nice little move to the upside. Again, nothing crazy. But that was my main trade yesterday. And then I took an Apple scalp a little earlier. I'll show you where. It was this candle right here as we came down and tested the 8 EMA. Contracts did all right. Why is my num lock being so stupid? There. So when it came down and tested that 8 EMA and started to get bought up, that's when I entered long and caught a nice scalp up. Again, nothing crazy. 21. Cool. So, what were we looking at? We looked at Apple. Let's go to AMD. Consolidation. Surprised we're not squeezing. But I'll tell you what. I like. Let's see, we tested that last Thursday. Maybe that 4 hour 21 EMA for a potential bounce, because we haven't tested it in a while. So let's do AMD. Yes, that was a yes, but I trade SPY options based off of it. So AMD. I still really like the Amazon daily. I think I might re-enter. We got stopped out the rest in profits. So I think I'm going to look for a possible re-entry for January. Just to give it a little more time. But we caught that 100% move up. I'm happy with that. That's for show. But we'll see with that. Good morning, Don. You ain't missed much. I mean, we're holding structure on that daily. Definitely. So Amazon on the watch list. Boeing, like, this is not normal on Boeing at all. So we're just gonna skip over that. We're gonna wait for a pullback. Coin, is there liquidity? That's the question, because that's a nice 1 hour squeeze. Yes, there is. It just really depends on the spreads. So if the spreads can tight, we hold this 1 hour 21 EMA. I'm willing to Willing to take that. Costco, new 52-week highs. Again, if you guys are rocking with the equity with me, we're banking on that. CRM. I don't think there's too much liquidity on this. So we'll skip over that. GLD, don't care about. Google. Don't care about. IWM. I mean, I like the 1 hour 21 EMA for a potential bounce. We broke above. See, the only issue is we broke 200 and now it's failing. I mean, we got the close there. I mean, I don't know. It's more than likely going to hit in the pre-market, so we'll just skip over that. Meta. Don't care about. It's got a nice daily, but intraday don't really care about. Microsoft was watching that daily squeeze yesterday. Kind of fell apart, so no trade there. Netflix. Slaughtered. NVDA. Having issues at that 61.8. You need to break that if it wants more upside. But don't care about it. Skip over NVIDIA. PayPal don't care about. We looked at QQQ. Roku don't care about. Shopify. Actually had a nice move yesterday. 76.50. All right, that's tradable. 76.50 bounce. Or if it really starts to pull, 74.64, 73.82. That doesn't look bad. So we'll watch that. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you haven't already. We got 130 people in here and 40 likes. If you guys want this watch list, definitely make sure to run up them likes. I know you guys can do it. Less than, what is that? A third of you have clicked the like button. Insane. And then let's see, Tesla. Kind of just want to watch Tesla for an uptrend entry because we're finally breaking this. So let's see what happens with it. Uptrend entry, maybe a bounce towards like this 249-ish area. So Tesla. Got a decent amount on watch. AMD, Amazon, Coin, Shopify, Tesla. We just got that Empire State news, so let's see how the market reacts off of that, and then narrow the list, find some bangers, and we'll be on our way. Cool. Hit the like button 3 times. That's what I like to hear. Let's give this like 2 minutes. Then we will narrow. One second. Ooh, got Qualcomm dividends. That's what I like. All right, I think we're good. It's not really moving. We looked at ARM yesterday. I think I said I didn't really like anything on it. It broke the weekly trend. Broke it yesterday. So, I mean, I guess it depends on the weekly close, but I personally wouldn't. All right, let's narrow this bad boy down. ES, SPY levels, QQQ levels, NQ levels, those are all good. Let's see. AMD. think there's better setups than AMD, so let's get rid of that. Amazon, I think I'm going to keep that on the side just as a potential re-entry on the swing. So I'm going to continue to keep an eye on that one. But as far as day trades, don't really want to go with it. And then let's see, coin. Really depends on that 21 EMA. Let's see, Bitcoin. Yeah, so it depends on Bitcoin and what that ends up doing, but depending on the spreads too, coin can be a little hard to trade with the spreads, but I do really like that squeeze. So let's see what happens in the pre-market. Maybe that could be a side watch, but I think I mainly want to watch this Shopify and Tesla. So let's get this all typed up. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button if you want this watch list posted up in the chat. At least a minimum 100 likes today, just because the stream done went out 2 other times. So minimum 100 likes, I'll give you guys a watch list today. Let's head on over to, okay, we got SPY. So, boom, SPY, bounce, 468.82, 92, then 467.8. Oh. Uptrend above. $47.91 on ES. Cool. As far as QQQ, using NQ levels. Come on, why are you being like this? Watching demand from 16,630 to 16,576 for a bounce. All right, so we got that. Above pre-market highs for uptrend entry. Cool. Shopify, bounce 1 hour, 21 EMA. Tesla, cool. Looks like market's pulling back a little bit here. Give everybody in Team Bull the watch list for the day. Come on. Why is it not loading? Costco is just trading at 52-week highs. Any idea when I can renew my Team Bull membership? I've been on, whenever we open spots, you'll get an email. Make sure you're on my wait list, though, if you're not already. Make sure you use the Brandon Trades wait list. Drop it in the chat real quick. Links. Discord. Boom. There you go. There's a link right there. So if you want to join Team Bull, the only way to do it is through the priority wait list. Fill it out right there. It takes 5 seconds. And then you can also sign up for future mastermind updates. And no, I stopped out Amazon and profits. I told everybody inside the admin floor multiple times, put stop losses at break even, and then after that in profits after yesterday's move. So everybody should be out. Oh, I gotta get my watch list again. Today, reminder, today is OPEX and there can be some safe today, and if there is no A+ setup, you do not take the trade. Okay. Let's see Shopify real quick. Make sure it's okay. So Shopify, it's got a, what is that, 60 cents? So it's got more room, which is good as long as it's not hitting in the pre-market. We Gucci. Tesla, boom. Just gotta stay patient. We'll open spots soon. Don't you worry. Unfortunately, if it was up to me, I would open spots already, but I don't get to choose. Nah, Amazon fell apart. No confirmation for a swing. Alrighty. Team Bulls got the watch list. YouTube channel members, you're about to get the watch list. And then as far as people in here, if you're not a YouTube channel member or a Discord member, all you gotta do is hit 100 likes. I'll give you guys a watch list today. 100. Mainly spine QQQ, and then I'll have 2 individuals and maybe like a swing trade setup or swing I'm watching, and then futures. So I have 8 charts up, but I'm really focusing on like 4. Speaking of which, how's uranium doing? Oh, uranium hit the price target of 30. Look at that. This is by far probably my best swing of 2023. By far. Wish it would have just waited. That's crazy. My equity. Hold on, I'm gonna pull this bad boy up. My equity is up 35% on uranium in like 3 months. 3 or 4 months. Crazy. Contracts were up 240% at close yesterday. Insanity. Love it. It cracks 30, guys. Whew. It's gonna be crazy. Price target at everyone is still holding with me. Cool. Dang, we're really dumping. Again, it's OPEX, so we could get some shenanigans. But you guys need 3 more likes. If you want this watch list, 3 more. I'll give it to you. This is exactly what I'm looking at right here. That. Makes it super easy to see everything. Cool. I'll wait. I'm waiting. 3 more. Did it just kick everybody out? See the frames are dropping. There it is. Wow. I don't know if anybody's still in here. It's saying a lot of the frames dropped. But as far as the watch list, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Boom. SPY. QQQ. Shopify. Tesla. That is everything I'm watching today, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody have a blessed day. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. And let's do this. You got kicked out? Yeah, that's weird. All right. Everyone have a good one. There's a watch list.